rice and beans with mackerel, fish and chicken. Let's do that. Add in your pot salt, seasoning cubes, curry powder, and garlic granules. Add water. Cover and allow it to cook. The fish is done. Now I'm going to remove it and fry. You can choose to air fry or pop in your oven. Add oil for frying. Add the fish and chicken and allow it to fry. Now let's scoop it out. It's done. In the same oil, fry your onions. Stir, stir, stir. And allow it to fry a bit. Now add your chopped tomatoes and allow to fry a bit. Now I'm going to add my bell pepper, red bell pepper. No tinned tomato, no tomato paste in this recipe. Seasoning cube and paprika powder. And allow to fry a bit. Now I'm going to add my fresh curry leaves. Stir, 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 and it's ready. Here is my cooked beans and parboiled rice. I'm going to transfer the stew in there. Fish stock. More water to cook. Now stir. Stir very well to combine. Stir very well. Now taste for salt and adjust the seasoning if needed. Add a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. Stir. Cover and allow it to cook on a medium heat. Now let's check on the rice. It's done, you guys. The idea is not to allow the water to dry. Now it's ready. I'm gonna off the heat. That is called creamy jollof rice and beans. Rambi is done. Done. Now I'm going to transfer the proteins. Creamy rice and beans. All done.